laging magtira para sa sarili. Because yun, anything you put out there, it's out na para sa publiko. And
It's about mystery, no? Eh, you know naman, all of us are slaves to social media now. So, do you still believe in keeping a little mystery, or you have to put it out there? Put it all out there.
Personally, for me, I think it's healthy to leave a little mystery. I think having a sense of privacy pa rin is still important. Well, I mean, to each their own, I suppose. Pero personally, for me, ako, importante pa din, there's that sense that may certain parang boundaries pa din. But at the same time, in terms of how, I can only speak with how I present myself. Ako po, I really would like to present myself authentically as possible, and kumbaga parang what you see is what you get when you meet me, that sort of thing. I mean, lalo na dito sa industriyang to, there's a lot of mga misconceptions, madaming judgmental, kumbaga parang some people are more misunderstood than others. But yun nga, I think, you know, having that sense of mystery is good, a healthy amount, but then at the same time, I think it makes for a good parang payoff po kapag nakilala ka ng mga tao na, ay, ganito pala siya. So, yeah, siguro yun. I would say, yes, it's good to have a little bit of that sense of mystery. It keeps things exciting.
About Sian and, you know.
Ang ganda ulit ng sagot ni Jada. Pero I agree with Jada. It's healthy, I think, for everyone then to keep a sense of mystery. I mean, ako honestly, I don't really wanna show like all out sa public. I mean, like I don't wanna really show much of myself. But at the same time, parang you also want to be authentic. You also want to be real. You also want to show your true self, diba? Pero same din na sinabi ni Jada sa industry. Medyo mahirap din kasi yun nga, may mga misconceptions, iba yung ma-interpret nila sa ipapakita mo ugali, or sa kung ano man ipakita mo, or kung ano mang actions na ipakita mo. So, yeah, for me, it's okay and it's good to have a sense of mystery. Yan lang. Thank you. Direk.
yes, definitely have a sense of mystery and laging magtira para sa sarili. Because yun, anything you put out there, it's out na para sa publiko, and you're ino-offer mo na para sa lahat to give their comments, di ba? Some will be positive, some will be negative. So yeah, we all have to just be prepared, and it also comes din kasi sa line of work natin na kailangan natin mag-TikTok, kailangan natin sumayaw. Napapasayaw na nga ako minsan, di ko lang pinapost kasi nakikita ko sila
So you was enjoying ba now as a director than when you were acting? Less intriga ba pag director? Wala nang leading ladies.
It's being a director is very fulfilling because at work, magkaiba po talaga siya. It's hard to compare one with the other, pero it's just my heart is very at peace while directing, seeing all the actors, seeing them grow and seeing them shine. And yun nga, lagi ko sa kanila pinapaalala, huwag yung problemahin na magiging pangit kayo, yung performance nyo. Don't even perform para sa akin or para to anyone. Just give me 10%, just enjoy what it is that you're doing. Yun pa lang po, minsan nag-uusap kami Dylan, bigla kaming nag-iyakan. Naiyak ako nang nagkukwento kay Dylan. But parang sabi ko, Dylan, it's just giving me so much joy to see you guys express, mailabas yung mga emosyon na yon on cue sa trabaho na kailangan natin gawin. So yun, definitely there's much fulfillment in creating something. In becoming
Will we see you in front of cameras again soon?
Yes, of course. Nag-audition nga ako sa Project Loki, ayaw lang ako sulatan ni Rain. Rain, sulat mo naman ako dito.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, and that's it for the Q&A. Let's give everybody a